and identification of the tile. In this way, we locate any problem areas that may need to be addressed and know what products are safe to use on your particular type of flooring. We specialize in the cleaning of all types of tile, be it high-end natural stone or man-made. Afterward, as you've seen here, we prep the area by moving furnishings, picking up debris, and applying a light misting of our in-house tile cleaning solution. Next, we get to work on the grout lines. By taking the time to manually scrub within the crevices, it ensures that any deeply embedded dirts, soils, and body oils are loosened and will be removed when cleaning. Once done scrubbing, it's time to tackle corners. By utilizing a specially made tile tool that allows us to get right into the dirt and grime, this helps provide a universal clean throughout the room without damaging your furnishings. Next is time for the big boys. First, our high-impact spinner safely drives out dirt from even the deepest of pores which can be found within your tile and tackles the loosened grout lines without problem. Afterward, we're sure to take care of any excess moisture that may have been left behind by the cleaning process. That way, our optional follow-up sealing procedure is sure to deliver the best results possible. By first applying our high-quality, clear sealant solution and following up with our unique rotary machine, this helps provide the most even distribution possible and brings your tile back to its original luster and helps protect it between annual cleanings. Once brought to a quality shine, we simply set up our high-powered air-moving system and allow sufficient time for the surface to dry.